In the world of international politics, tensions can escalate quickly. In the blink of an eye, a minor conflict can turn into a major crisis. Recently, we witnessed a prime example when Israeli missiles struck a site in Iran. The chain of events leading to this point began with an invasion of Israel by Hamas terrorists. This triggered a military response from Israel, which included the bombardment of Gaza. In retaliation, Iran launched an attack on Israel with drones and missiles. Israel's robust Iron Dome defense system intercepted 99% of these threats, effectively neutralizing the risk. Despite the effectiveness of the Iron Dome, Israel decided to retaliate, launching a strike against Iran. The Israeli attack was more a show of strength than an act of aggression, as they opted to use small drones or missiles, targeting key military sites in Isfahan. Interestingly, Iran's nuclear facilities were left undamaged. This measured response indicates a desire to avoid provocation while still demonstrating strength. Both sides appear to be seeking to avoid escalating into a full-scale regional war. However, there are concerns that the situation could escalate further. Meanwhile, the Israeli defense minister urged the U.S. not to impose sanctions on the Israeli Defense Forces battalion. The U.S. Secretary of State may announce sanctions against IDF under the Leahy Law, a move Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu staunchly opposes. This series of events raises many questions about the future of the Middle East. Will the tension escalate into a full-blown war? Will the U.S. impose sanctions on the Israeli Defense Forces? How will Iran respond to the Israeli attacks? The Israeli-Iranian conflict is a complex, multifaceted issue that requires careful navigation. The decisions made by the involved parties in the coming weeks and months will have significant implications for the region and the world. To summarize, the recent events have been marked by a series of retaliations following an initial invasion of Israel by Hamas terrorists. The situation escalated when Iran launched an attack on Israel, which was met with a retaliatory strike from Israel. Amidst these events, there are ongoing discussions about potential U.S. sanctions on the Israeli Defense Forces. In the grand scheme of things, these events underscore the delicate balance of power in the Middle East. The Israeli-Iranian conflict isn't just about these two nations, but has far-reaching implications for the entire world. As we navigate through these uncertain times, it's crucial to stay informed and understand the complexities of the situation. The world watches on, hoping for a peaceful resolution to this escalating crisis.